Hello everyone, how to make a Twitter account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Twitter application. Tap on create account, select the language, British English or English. Select any one of these and then tap next. It will take you to this page. To create your account, you have to write your name, your email address and your date of birth. Then you tap on next, mark a tick and then press next again and it will take you to this page again. Now press sign up. Just wait for a while. Twitter will send a verification code on your Gmail. You have to check your Gmail account. Go to your inbox and check the mail and get the code and write the code in this specific bar. After giving your code, tap on next and then write your password and then tap on next again. Now move forward and pick a profile and then it will show you your username. Move forward and press continue and your Twitter account is started. You have to add all the information about your Twitter account, that what do you want to see in your Twitter account or why are you using it, what do you like to watch. So you have to fill all this information. Press next to give you more options. What do you want to see in your Twitter account? You have to click on it and then tap next. Follow your favorite celebrities on Twitter and follow them. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. By following these steps, you can make your Twitter account easily.